Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. If you're looking to boost your income, you're in the right place. Here are the top 5 AI tools that can help you make money right now. Let's get started. First up is Jasper AI. This powerful writing assistant helps you create high-quality content in minutes. Whether it's blog posts, social media content, or marketing copy, Jasper can save you time and effort. You can offer freelance writing services or even start your own blog. With Jasper, the content creation process just got a whole lot easier. Next on our list is Canva, specifically its Magic Write feature. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to create stunning graphics and presentations. With the help of AI, you can generate design ideas and even create content for your visuals. You can sell your designs on platforms like Etsy or offer graphic design services to local businesses. Coming in at number 3 is ChatGPT. This conversational AI can assist you in various ways, from generating ideas for your next big project to providing customer support for your online business. You can even use it to automate tasks or enhance your digital marketing strategies. The possibilities are endless, and it can help you save time and increase your productivity. At number 4, we have Pictory. This AI video creation tool allows you to turn scripts or articles into engaging videos. With the rise of video marketing, this is a fantastic way to monetize your content. You can create promotional videos for businesses, start a YouTube channel, or even sell video creation services. It's an excellent way to tap into the booming video content market. And finally, at number 5, we have Copy.ai. This tool is a game changer for anyone involved in marketing. It helps you generate compelling copy for ads, emails, and landing pages. By offering copywriting services or using it to improve your own marketing efforts, you can significantly increase your sales and revenue. There you have it. The top 5 AI tools that can help you make money right now. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or just looking to earn some extra cash, these tools can provide you with the edge you need. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips on how to leverage technology to boost your income. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.